Hello, good evening. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? I have come for today evening just for give you an update for today markets and tomorrow markets both. So I wanted to show you what we have did in the morning and then what it is crossed and what it is happened after that after our live, and then I wanted to show you something like which is how it is the market has been moved forwarded after our chart. Okay, so for that specially I had come today evening, and then I wanted to explain you individual part wise and where we marked exactly, and then how the market has been moved from that part. So this is what I wanted to tell you. And our morning our convictions was there, that is monthly very bearish, it is expanding on downside, and weekly it was very bearish up, expanding to downside. So this was our view on the monthly and weekly, which is on the chart of this. So till here. Okay, so this is today market after finishing the area, and then you can see this one very bearish today market. So we will come to this later and what happened here, and it has been pushed from this location to here. So what happens in this location and how it is pushed to this location. So this is what we wanted to understand, and how we find this location that which is gives the rotation of the market exactly from the point where we marked. So this is what actually I wanted to let you know in the today's market. Just we have 20 minutes, so you have seen my thumbnail. This is for a just nifty analysis and how we traded by today, and absolutely the open to talk today. I did not traded any trade, I have not taken any trade, but I was expecting this location, but I was not in the seat, so I could not be able to trade. Okay, so I made one thing very clear: if I available in the seat, then only I will trade myself. Otherwise, then I will skip any kind of trading or any kind of market, any kind of conditions are bullish, bearish, whatever it is, or rally, whatever it is. I won't do it, because when you are in the seat, then only you can able to run your desk and your risk reward, everything you can do it properly. So that is what my agenda is specially, and what I'm building myself to adapt to the that kind of trading system. So that is what I'm doing now. Okay, so we're nothing waste of time, we'll go to the market exactly what's happened. So what we told today, yesterday we were marked this location, it was completely rotation happened from this location, and it came down, it went up exactly. So it was completely bullish till H period. It was almost one time period, and then it has been crossed and it has been completely finished this location. And what happens? This was completely bullish on yesterday. Maybe we can say second half. Maybe this still first half, and this will be the second half. So what happened today market? It has been opened out of balance. This is out of balance, and till the B period, till the IB area, it was in balance, and then it break the locations exactly to the downside, and then it has been pushed up. So this is what happened today. So why it is happened this one exactly to these locations? If you watched my live, so today like 21st, right? So we have given a compressed profile, which is that from 22nd we have taken the compressed profile, right? So this is the compressed profile which we have merged and saw the area. So we have merged this compressed profile, and we have find out the area where which is most the anomaly was in market profile, and then you can see exact the low volume node, the entire range. In the entire range, this one is a low volume node. The market exactly tested the same location, and it has been given a push to upside. So this is what exactly happened by today. Okay, so we just reset it all. The market is opened in out of balance, and in first IB range it was in balance, and it has been tried to break on downside, and it went and finished in upside. So you can ask me that this could be a failed action on downside. Let me come to the order flow. What happens in the morning? You can see in the first candle 873 lot. My first, I think you must be watching around 9:50. I think 10 o'clock you can see my video in the morning live. I have told you this in the first candle itself. I think 9:15 candle itself. I told you the buyers have ended. They need just an acceleration to give the push the market to the upside. So and second POC 140 lot, 178 lot, and third POC like third candle 294 lot, fifth, sixth, seventh. This all places the buyers has been accumulated their positions, and suddenly it has been come to this locations, and then like you can see the order flow 162 lot, 142 lot, 300 lot, 119 lot, 400, 200, 145, 130, 100, 253, 124. Then you got a rally from here, rally from exactly from this location. So this was the biggest trade which we could able to do it in the morning sessions. Like if in case we were in the live market, we would have tried in these locations. Like we can able to trade this location because this was a low volume area. The compressed profile which we have taken from 22nd to 24th, and then from here to here it was a push has been happened this area. So this is what done in the market today. So you can ask me that what we can expect today. So why this one is not a failed action? If this one is a failed action, we need to see something like biggest volume in the selling area. Of course, you can ask me this 335 lot is there, 374 lot is there, and 163 and 1111 lots are there. Our previous market was in bullish, and today also has been given in the rejection from the low volume node of the compressed profile. And if you compress the profile from 22nd merge right, it give this one also. You can see the market has been come into the value area high of the compressed profile. So tomorrow is the expiry day. The expiry day, what we need to do? So exactly the market sits in the value area high. So value area high, if in case the market is opened somewhere here, of course, it can same in the range, it can be run. Maybe the POC is here, the POC is here, and here you can see the largest ledge is here. So this was in a weekly ledge, this area. So the compression, you can see this place. So this place can be act as a support for us tomorrow. So this one is 24,984. So we can take it as a complete this area. So this two area almost 962 to 980. So this area you can take it as a support for tomorrow. If market opens somewhere, it can come and touch this place and can take some time process. Or if the market is opened below the POC, then here is a low volume node again. You can see 2000 volume is here. This area can be again, we will get a rejection from here. It can break upside, and the market is opened beyond value area high, then it will be the out of balance. And I have told you here will be the market profile POC, this area. So this market profile POC is a prominent POC which is so long time it has not been cleared. So this will be our target. So this is what can be happen tomorrow. Either can open value area high above, or we can able to open and it can come to POC and it can take some time process, or it can open near to the POC and it can explode any side. But the low volume area is here, we can get possibly rejection from this location. So balance we will see tomorrow morning, and we will take all the trades by tomorrow. Let's try together and we will get our trades exactly what we want. Okay, so that is what I wanted to tell you guys all. And see, I told you, if this is a failed action, it should be cleared in 3 to 4 days. In second day, it has been cleared. And you can ask me this. This is 23rd, right? We will go and check it in 23rd. And 23rd, this is 23rd, right? Yes, this is 24th. 24th, we can see 24th. Yeah, 24th is here. This is 24th, 23rd, where it is. Exactly which location? This one, 23rd it is. Yeah, but why 23rd it is not coming here? Let me take exactly the date where we wanted to come. 17 to 24. 24 to this is 27. So we wanted 24 here. So you asked for me the where is the fade while give the rejection, right? So this is what you have been asked for me. Yes, here. This is 24th. So where we want 23rd exactly. So let me make it time scale, time separator on daily also will give. So now it will come as a daily as well. Time separator, we will give show levels. Come on, this is not coming. This area exactly, right? I think this area, 23rd 7 2026, 23rd 7 2026. It's okay, we'll use go to volume, grid time, grid price. This is weekly, and again I will put a separator here as well. Let's see. Yeah, daily grid is coming up here. Why it's not coming here? Maybe. So only it's coming in weekly in this one. Okay, let's see here. 23rd, no? So 23rd here. See here, exactly. I don't think so. The buyers are presented here. So that is why actually we have tried our best to get the levels actually. So we couldn't able to get it properly that levels. So that is why actually I also couldn't see. Maybe we'll switch off this and then we'll see it out like how it will be. Because time separators it is on the date also, but refresh with load history, then we'll see this is weekly is coming up. So we wanted to get daily as well. So I think this chart, if I'm not wrong, I think this chart today is 27th, right? Yeah. So might be this location exactly I could able to see because last actually yes 23rd is Thursday, 24th, so 24th. So here it is on 12 o'clock and here exactly. So we'll make it a cluster chart on our template same. See here, exactly see here, this area, there are sellers are there. So if the market is wanted to take upside, if it is a failed action, it should be a buying, like the buying order should be here. The buying order of course is here, but you can see the candle where it is reversed exactly. It's given the down moment, this area exactly, this area. So this area, this is 24th. 23rd here. Yes, we got it. This is 130. Yeah, we got it. Yes. So here will be the area. You can see here when it has been broken, like couldn't break that location, there is a buyer. There is a buyer and seller. Here also there is a buyer. Here also there is a buyer. Here also there is a buyer. This is buying selling action failed this area. Completely buyers and sellers both they were fighting. So this area buyers has been failed. So that is why buyers failed action which we are seeing. This location exactly what I am telling. This location. So this one the buyer also is there, seller also is there. Against buyer, against the seller, the buyer has been lost his support over here. So the market has been come till this location. But today market what happens? Why I am not telling that one the selling action you can see here. Here completely buyers, here completely buyers, here also completely buyers, and here also completely buyers, and here also the completely buyers. You can see the throughout the market you can see the buyers. Only you can see this candle and this candle and this candle. These three the sellers are there. Very few sellers. There is no much sellers are there. That's why I'm not telling that this would be a selling failed action. If in case there would be enough sellers are there, I would have told you this location would be the like buyers and sellers both they were fighted here, then I would have told you this is selling failed action. So this is what I came to tell you. So I'm also learning with you accordingly. And then TPO size, TPO we can say almost 10 TPOs are there. So we can call it as a prominent POC. And then the volume profile POC also in the same place. And here is a super ledge is here. So if any market is opened value very high or value very low or in between the POC, it could act as a very good support and resistance in this location. So let's see tomorrow. So where the market is opening, out of balance or inside balance is opening. So that is what we are going to check tomorrow, and we will be trading our positions like the concept, market profile concept, what it is says exactly. So if anything is wrong or if anything is okay, you can just comment on my video, and then I can able to do my own research, or I can answer your questions accordingly, what based you are asking it. Okay. Thank you so much, and thanks for joining today. And tomorrow we will see in live trading in the morning.